Updating your primary email on Lyft is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is current and you receive important notifications. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft application on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon or the menu icon in the top left corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Go to your account settings. Within your profile, look for the account or settings option. Select it to access your account details. Step 4. Update email address. Find a section labeled email or contact information. Tap on it and enter your new primary email address. Make sure to double check for any typos. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a save or update button. Tap it to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages from Lyft. Keeping your contact information updated ensures you stay informed about your rise in account activity.